Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the concrete inputs that cause the error. Open the formula bar and inspect ranges, anchors, and literal values. Once done, remove hidden characters like leading spaces or non-breaking spaces because they often break matches. Make sure you test relative versus absolute references. $1 changes behavior when copied. Use a helper cell to isolate sub-expressions and the F9 preview technique to see intermediate results. This first pass solves a large share of issues quickly. Next, break down complex formulas into smaller steps so you can locate the exact failing piece. You should split IF chains, index/match combos, or nested VLOOKUP into helper columns. This clarifies the how and why. Also verify data types. Numbers stored as text or text dates cause unexpected results, so convert types when necessary. Once you isolate the offending function, substitute a simpler equivalent to confirm behavior, then rebuild gradually to preserve correct logic. To finish, reassemble the corrected pieces and test the formula across diverse sample rows so you catch edge cases. Make sure to wrap risky expressions with IFERer or ICERer to provide safe fallbacks and clearer messages. Once you've confirmed results, copy the formula with proper anchors or use array formula if needed to scale. If things still go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Use trace precedence and trace dependence to visually follow references and find unexpected links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.